My C drive left very less storage. MT4 and MT5 files takes too much storage, so I need to move MT4 and MT5 files from C drive to D drive. Let's check how big size is MT4 files which contain history data. It is 25 gigabytes file size. It is very big. So I am going to move it from C drive to D drive. I copy and paste instead of cut and paste. I have pasted it previously. Now I'm going to copy MT4 file from C drive to D drive. Create a shortcut and rename it. Change target directory of the shortcut. Just adding the word portable. Now I'm going to copy all account log and detail, EA files, indicators file, history data from old MT4 to new MT4. Create a desktop shortcut. Now open the old MT4 and the new MT4. And compare their data file path. Old MT4 file path should be drive C. New MT4 file path should be drive D. Now let's delete the old MT4 files to give more storage space for my C drive. This new meta quotes folder in D drive is just a backup folder. Just in case you cannot find DA file, or indicator files, or a login detail, you may find them in this new meta quotes folder. You may delete this new meta quotes folder in D drive to free up your D drive storage only if you have backup all your EA files and indicators files in somewhere else. After deletion complete, let's open new portable MT4 to check if its data folder is at D drive and all my EA files, history data are still there. Thanks for watching.